Are you struggling with losing important files in the middle of a busy workday? Or spending too much time searching for a specific document? With the Odoo Documents app, the solution is now in your hands and all in one place. The system gives you a smart and organized workspace where you can store and manage all your company files with complete ease. You can organize your documents into clear and structured folders and access any file, image, or document you need with just one click from anywhere. And that's not all. You can also share these files with your team and manage access permissions to ensure flexibility, speed, and security while completing daily tasks. With Odoo, document management is no longer a burden. It becomes a smooth experience that saves your time and effort, so you can focus more on growing and developing your business without complexity or distraction.